Welcome back to the Antique Clock Shop. Okay, we got the New Haven 30-hour clock movement ready to tear apart. And we'll tear it apart and get it to the sonic cleaner and go from there, see if it's worth saving. So let's get into it. Okay, we're going to start taking apart this movement. Let's get these pins out. Yeah, usually you can tell these 1800 ones when they don't have the nuts on them. They have the pins like that. It's usually a dead giveaway that it's made in the 1800s. They come out fairly easy, not too bad. As long as you get your pliers in there and you can push it right out of the post there. There it is. I think it's only got 4. So it looks, yeah, there's not a 5th one. It looks like just 4. Okay, let's get this alarm piece off here. It should just pop off. Yep. Let's take a picture. Nice and slow. There we go. Oh, that spring let go. It's a good thing those are small springs. Yeah, it's a little tricky. Well, that escapement gear's stuck in there. Yeah, I should have took this off too. I kind of skipped a step here. Well, it doesn't want to come out of there. It's very tight. There we go. Yeah, I should have took that out first. I didn't. There we go. Escapement gear off there. Boy, this thing's dirty. Yeah, I gotta figure out where these went. Get my picture. Yeah, I think this one went here. Be my best guess. This one's here. Something like that. Alright, and this one would be here. Because that's where the hammer goes, the strike mechanism goes. Yeah, this thing flew all apart. This is supposed to be here. Nope. Let's see. Yeah, this is going here. That'd be fun. Having fun putting this one back together. That's got to go up further. Yeah, good enough for a picture. I'll have to figure it out. You do enough of them, when I start putting them back together, I'll figure out where everything goes. As long as I keep the time gears on this side and the chime gears on this side, I'll be able to put it all back together. Yeah, I put zip ties on the springs, but apparently I didn't make sure that all the tension was off of them. So that's why it flew apart on me. Yeah, these springs are too small for my big C-clamps I usually use. Well, if that was one of those bigger springs, that would have been ugly. Alright, next step's to get it to the sonic cleaner and get it back together and see if it's worth saving, see how wore out the pieces are. So hopefully I can get it back to work and working and get it back in its case and make a good clock out of it. Alright, thanks for watching.